Hello, this is Zach Daniels again, doing my second video for the class. The second website that I found is Quizizz. I came across this through I know some people in class have also done this one a couple of times, but I actually found it to be really neat and interesting for myself. This year, because our department is such shorthanded with special ed teachers that I got pulled once a day to teach a history class. I'll be a co-lab teacher at a history class. So I've been trying to find resources, and I've never co-labbed a class before because I've been a self-contained teacher for the last 3 years, and also when I was student teaching, that was my experience. But when I came across this website, I thought this was really neat. Especially since you can, I know it has a bunch of quizzes already lined up for you, but you can also make your own, and you can see who's logged in, who has not, get the scores of them, see what questions they got wrong, which is really neat and helpful. I do plan on definitely using this in the near future, especially with the kids in my class that have the IEPs. I can use this to create a review quiz game for them, and I could send it just to them. I could send it to the whole class, which would be really neat and helpful. And I also think that the teacher in the class would find that very helpful as well. So I do find that this would be a great use to me and the kids in the class. And I was excited, and I had some fun playing around with it earlier. I was trying to brush up on my own history, but it was a very neat website. It's free. It's great. So yes, I look forward to using this, and thank you.